Hello everybody, welcome. Today's special episode is going to be a full ride POV of none other than the ET adventure right behind us. It is probably my favorite ride at Universal Studios, I think.
It's definitely mine.
I don't know. It's in the top, if not my favorite ride at Universal Studios. I love it. I hope they never take it away. So without further ado, fully uninterrupted, we've got the ride queue for you, the pre-shows, and the full ride. Take a look.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the ET adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. ET needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from ET's teacher, Botanicus, calling for ET to come home right away. You see, a big problem has developed 3 million light years away on ET's home world, the Green Planet. ET's friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what ET's friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help ET find them once we get him home, and there's not a moment to lose, because only ET's magic healing touch can save his friends and bring his planet back to health. ET must go home, and only you can help him. ET.
Trouble.
That's right, ET. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the Green Planet? You and ET will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with ET, tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Sounds like ET's ready to go. So good luck, everyone. And remember, ET's counting on you, and so am I. It's up to you to save his planet so that he may visit us again.
Noble. Thank you.
You can meet up with us after we get out of ET. We're going on Harry Potter.
You guys ready? All right.
Trouble.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off.
The orange line. I see him. Come on, let's go.
Hold it right there! Whoa!
Got him. At the bottom of the hill.
old.
E.T., go to Tickley. Hurry.
Tickley. Ouch.
Welcome home. You returned to us.
Welcome home. You arrived.
Magdoll.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
Goodbye, Randy, Alex, Justin, Linda, Alex, Adriana.
Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle.
Hands and feet inside the vehicle.
There you have it. There's the ET ride. What did you think? What do you think? Let's give it a little bit of love.
ET is one of my favorite rides. It just brings me back to the day when I first started coming here after we first got married. And I don't know, it's just nostalgic for me. I love the smell. I know some people hate the smell, but I love the smell. I love the ambience of the line. I don't even mind being inside in line in this because it's so cute, but the line's usually pretty short, which is nice.
I can smell it from here. Like every time there's a breeze, I smell it. I love the smell. One of the things I hated the most about COVID was coming here and not being able to smell because I had to wear the mask. I always wanted to smell it. So I love it. It's such a cool ride. It's nostalgic. It's iconic. I hope they never take it away. If you ever take it away at Universal, you're probably going to have people up in arms about it. It is one of my favorite rides. I think it's so cool. Can't say enough good things about it. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. Be sure to check out all of our other content. We do lots more than just full ride POVs. Until we see you again tomorrow for a brand new episode, The Noble Way.
It's the easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.